case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The gnarl of maritime law unfurled on deck in the case Morales v. Garijak, Inc., decided by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit in 1987. At the heart was the principle long held in maritime law. A shipowner must provide necessary medical treatment and a daily maintenance allowance to an injured seaman until he is deemed fully recovered. But the dire consequences for a shipowner who wrongfully refuses to pay is also clear. They face the possibility of compensatory damages. Leopoldo Morales, a seaman on board the FV Garijak, became the litigant under these circumstances. His employer, Garijak, Inc., found their ship caught in a storm of legal controversy after their negligence led to Morales breaking his wrist. The district court held Garijak responsible for maintenance and cure payments until Morales recovered completely. However, the court tangled itself on agreeing on the reasonable defense for refusal to pay, with confusion over whether it was arbitrary or unreasonable behavior. Sideswiping the confusion, a jury blasted Garijak with compensatory damages, citing its unwillingness to pay maintenance and cure as not just unreasonable but wrongful and arbitrary. In the aftermath, Garijak found themselves in the appeals court, challenging the awards and the lump-sum compensatory damages. In its findings, the Court of Appeals threw overboard the argument of arbitrary behavior by Garijak, citing lack of substantial evidence. Following the adage of measuring twice and cutting once, the court ordered to reevaluate the compensatory damages. The maintenance award to Morales was refashioned, sparing Garijak liability during the time Morales remained aboard the vessel. Garijak's responsibilities were trimmed down to $15 in daily maintenance starting August 10, 1983, and the medical expenses for Morales's broken wrist recovery. Troubled waters of attorney's fees and prejudgment interest, however, were drained entirely from the award. Garijak could finally dock from this tumultuous journey as the case wrapped up, promising fewer storms on the horizon.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.